If you love saving money but hate skimping on quality, then this is for you. First up, let's dive into the design of this beauty. It's sleek, modern, and just screams quality. Imagine something chic, elegant, and functional all in one. Now picture it fitting perfectly into your home or office decor. Pretty cool, right? But here's the best part: the price. You'd expect something like this to cost a fortune, but hold on to your wallets, folks. It's totally budget-friendly. High quality without breaking the bank? Yes, please. Affordable luxury is the name of the game here. And let's talk versatility. This product is perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. Need to spruce up your desk? Done. Looking for a stylish addition to your living room? Check. Hunting for that perfect present? Nailed it. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it. So, curious yet? Check the description for all the details. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more amazing finds. See you soon. If you love saving money but hate skimping on quality, then this is for you. First up, let's dive into the design of this beauty.